Samsung is just a couple of weeks away from the launch of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and the device has leaked countless times at this point. Now, another Galaxy Z Flip 5 leak shows off a dummy unit used for making accessories, which oddly still has a hinge gap. Images and a brief video posted to /leaks today show off a dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The unit, likely being used to make cases or show the phone's design in a similar context, looks quite familiar. The big folder icon-shaped cover display dominates the outside with two camera modules. Outside of that, the rest of the design is virtually identical from the fingerprint sensor to the hinge. There's nothing all that new here, but what caught our eye quickly is a look at the hinge and specifically the gap in the folded Galaxy Z Flip 5. This gap was largely expected to be gone on this year's Flip phone, as Samsung has been expected to adopt a water drop hinge that, in part, helps to eliminate the gap when the phone is closed by leaving more space for the display to fold. That new hinge has been seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which also has a slight hinge gap, but one that's much smaller than what we're seeing here. The new hinge should at least add dust resistance for an IP58 rating, a not fully sealed IP6X, but any dust that gets in shouldn't cause any damage. Previous Galaxy Z devices were only water-resistant, IPX8. Besides the larger cover display, not much has changed on the exterior. There is the volume rocker and power button / fingerprint reader on the right, a SIM card tray on the left, and a USB-C port on the bottom. The Z Flip 5 is rumored to support DeX, though it might only be the wireless option. We expect Samsung to announce the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 during an event on 26 July, which isn't all that far away at this point. All eyes will be on Samsung to see what it unveils, but if it's anything like what we see here, we can expect big things. Internally, the device has new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128 to 512 GB of internal storage. We do expect to have a new Gorilla Glass protection for outer display for more durability. Now for camera department, don't expect to have big upgrade. Yes, we have new horizontal position of cameras, but still we have same lens as previous generation. Also battery-wise, we have same exact battery size as the last year and same charging speed. Anyhow, based on leaks and rumors we have seen so far, I feel we have only bigger outer display and new processor upgrade. Other than that, we have almost same specs as last year. Anyhow, what are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.